passage in there where you'd written in some handwritten stuff. Right here. Suffering can bring quality to life.
What does it say?
Suffering can bring quality to life.
This was, you say this book was laid open at that one, you just found it?
Laid it open that way or if that was just a storm, but...
What did it say again?
Suffering can bring quality to life.
My wife's writing. She wrote it.
You're welcome.
You don't know how much this means to us. Friday, I just had the insurance company let us start cleaning up. And y'all showed up because I was going to start yesterday myself. And it's just amazing. Y'all have helped. We didn't have no place to start. We didn't know where to begin. How to begin. Y'all can make a tremendous impact. Tremendous impact. Not only with what the work you do, but what it means to us. How it helped us get started back.
They are? In the building?
Thank you.